Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Eliza. Eliza was known for her quiet demeanor and unassuming presence, but little did the villagers know. She possessed a hidden talent that was waiting to be discovered. One day, while wandering through the forest, Eliza stumbled upon an old, abandoned piano hidden amongst the trees. Curiosity piqued. She tentatively sat down at the dusty keys and began to play. To her surprise, the music flowed effortlessly from her fingertips, as if she had been born to play. As Eliza's passion for music grew, she decided to share her gift with the world. She began teaching the children of the village how to play various instruments, igniting a spark of creativity and joy in their hearts. The once quiet and unassuming girl had transformed into a confident and inspiring teacher, guiding her students with patience and grace. The villagers marveled at the transformation, realizing that Eliza's unseen talent had been a gift waiting to be unwrapped. Years passed, and Eliza's music school became renowned throughout the land. People from far and wide traveled to learn from the master storyteller, who had once been a humble girl with a hidden talent. Eliza's legacy lived on in the hearts of her students, who continued to spread the joy of music to all who would listen. And so, the girl who had once been overlooked and underestimated had become a legend, her unseen talent shining brightly for all to see.